times of economic uncertainty, your first instinct may be to cut back spending, but one of the easiest ways to save money is to simplify your current spending. Here are some tips on how to save money by cleaning up your expenses. Subscriptions can easily pile up over time. Take the time to review your current subscriptions and cancel the ones you don't use or rarely use. Recurring expenses like insurance, phone bills, and utilities don't have to be fixed. Comparing providers can allow you to save money. Consider using digital budgeting tools and turning on autopay. Being aware of where your money is going and not having to worry about payment due dates can relieve some stress around your finances. Another way to save some money is to improve your energy efficiency by investing in things like energy-efficient LED light bulbs and programmable thermostats. Finally, some expenses may feel routine, but that doesn't always mean they're essential. Reassessing these nice-to-have expenses can help free up cash. From savings products to insurance and financial tools, AAA is here to support you during uncertain times. Visit our website for more information.